Ready? Dala? Yes. Yeah. Pakka? Yes. Ready? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm good. Yeah. Ready? Yes. And 5, 6. Yeah, red light on and on. Come. Yeah. Good. 5, 6, 7, go. Okay, guys. हो गया ना डांस वीडियो में हो गया ठीक हो गया okay sir guys one more take okay.
Hi guys! So welcome to our new vlog talk! Yay! We are back with new and interesting stuff.
Yes, so we have been asked few of the questions that what and how we are behind the camera. So we have got some interesting questions and our secrets are going to be revealed.
Yeah.
So let's see our new segment, which is
Who is the most likely to? So I'm excited. Are you very excited?
Yes.
So let's begin. Let's roll. Okay. So our first question is, who is the most likely to dramebaz?
You the
I think she.
majority.
The majority means
Yes.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm making puja calm down. What is this behavior puja? Okay, so yeah, that's good. So she's the dramebaz.
So second question is, who is most likely to be lazy?
Oh my god.
I think she,
Yeah.
she cannot point out to anyone because she knows that.
Okay, so this is like interesting question. Okay, the third one.
Okay.
Who is likely to give more text while dancing?
Oh.
Undoubtedly.
Yes, for sure.
No, I give best in my one thing, you know. No,
No, she's lying, guys. She's lying. She's lying. No, they see the majority. Yeah.
Okay, the fourth question is, who is most likely to be mehnati? So we know answer like जो behind the camera है, जो बंदा वहाँ पे खड़ा है, propose. We do all the stuff, yeah.
all-rounder kind. Like when he is operating camera, at the same time when he is having take, he also join us to give a take. So it's really very interesting and we love you, Prabhu.
Yeah.
Okay, so the fifth one, who is most likely to be filmy?
I think you. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm not filmy. I am big fan of the film star, but I don't like dialogues.
No,
and all.
most
Most of the
expressions
time.
are very loud, you know. He sometimes just now you had maybe caught up some of his actions.
But
So
he sing songs. Yeah.
Okay. The sixth question. Guys, सबने बहुत अच्छे questions भेजे यार. Thank you for the response. Yeah.
And he has not revealed our questions, so this is surprise for us too. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for the questions.
So sixth one is, who is most likely to say no to everything? I guess there are 2 members.
Yes, 2 members, undoubtedly 2 members.
So one is Jia, and second is the behind the camera person,
Yeah.
Yes.
Prabodh.
I mean any step, any
These
step,
guys are like-
even any step.
She first says no, I didn't understand, and then she do it. Okay. I think that's a strategy, you know. Strategy, yes, so that one can. Yes, but मला तो माहिती नाही मला दाखवलं आहे. मला दाखवलं. अच्छा, बोला नाही. अरे एवढं दाखवलं पुस्तक बोलो. Yeah, cool. Interesting, ना? मस्त केलं पण.
Okay, well, so our seventh question is, who is the most likely to marry any celebrity?
No doubt.
I am undoubtedly.
Yeah, she's a big fan of Kartika. And if by any chance Kartika got to see this, please consider our friend. She's very, very innocent as well. Yeah. And she's turning 25 now. She's desperate. She is desperate to meet Kartik Aaryan. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay.
Who is like next question? Who is most likely to not into stunts and trying unique styles? That I guess we have two options. Like she's bad at stretching and exercising and all stuff. She's that lazy.
Right.
No.
But I'm gonna definitely try some new stuff. Oh please, यार ये तो हो गया ट्रिक है तभी तो बड़ा आ गया.
Next question is, who is most likely to be slow?
Okay.
Slow. उसने ये slow किया. Slow. So guys, I said Raghav ji. That's what slow. He's very masked. Yeah, he's not very masked. He's asked me. He must be upset. Are you wearing mask? Yes, I'm wearing mask. His name is Grey, by the way. Yeah. That's my pet. Pet Teddy. Yes, and he's ours, and his name is Hasya. Hasya. कितना हंसा है? बहुत हंसा है. Okay.
The 10th question. Who is most likely to do weird things in public?
I'm. Yes,
Yeah.
अरे मुझे खाओ.
No,
Yes.
not me.
Yes.
You only.
Actually, we both are like.
I guess we both. Actually, the thing is, मैंने इससे सीखा है. Like she is senior, no? So मैंने इससे सीखा है ये weird thing कैसे करना है in public. Like,
Public.
Yeah, we are really very okay with it. Whatever.
yeah. So that's why we are friends, right? हम लोग सब same करते हैं. Okay. 11वां question. Yeah, actually. ये पढ़ के मुझे इसका आंसर पता है. Who is the most likely to get in a fight?
और ऐसा
She is
all fingers.
yeah, actually.
मैं जानती हूँ.
Not like that, but.
जितने जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है फटाफट ठंडा. Liar वाला question है क्या? She's lying. No, I'm not. She's such a sweet. अच्छा बताइए. Okay. Who is most likely to have never been in love? Have never been in love. That's me. See, the thing is, I love myself, so I'm in love with myself. I'm done with my answer. I'm in love with these two guys. They are pets? Yes. They are teacher's pet. Is that you say yes, yes, yes? Yes. Okay. Question number 13.
Who is most likely to die of something stupid?
I think Shata.
You.
I think Shata.
Again, the like, same answer. Yeah, but I guess me more. Me more. Who is most likely to make $1 million? I guess everyone.
Everyone.
किसको नहीं कमाना है भाई?
ये सबको कमाना
Yeah, but the thing is, right now we don't want $1 million, but we want million subscribers. So please,
I'm sure we are going to achieve this target.
Yes.
yeah, right. अच्छी क्वेश्चन दी है सब लोग ने. Who is the most likely to laugh at wrong moment?
This.
This guy.
Even she does sometimes.
This
It
guy.
happens. It's very, very,
I
very.
guess निशान और मैं जब साथ में रहते तो यही होता है.
Yeah.
यार ऐसी चला दो भाई यार. Okay. So question number 16. Who is most likely to be forever single?
I guess प्रबोध. क्योंकि उसको कोई लड़की हानि होती है. या फिर वो लड़की को हानि होती है. वो लड़के को मतलब समझ जा. He respect a lot. He respect women, but I don't know, like उसको मिशन पसंद है. And also प्रबोध is looking for such kind of dashing personality. So please game for rishtas. Yeah.
Okay, so question number 17. who is most likely to be a quick learner? It's me.
It's me.
Both of No,
I
only you.
तीनों because
Yeah.
हम बहुत बड़े तो सीख लेते हैं, भाई ये छोटे हैं.
Yes.
इसको बहुत सिखाना पड़ता है.
यार पूरी मेहनत मेरी जाती है यार मैं बहुत. Yes, he does a lot because he is a choreographer, director, also director like cinematographer from director. He gives us angle and everything. Suggestion about I am a versatile or I am an all-rounder. Rounder. Yes, he is undoubted. And he like the rounder. Okay. Only 4 or 3 questions are left, guys. We are doing good. Yeah. Okay, so question number 18. Who is most likely to be selfie addict? Everyone will agree with this.
Yes, yes.
He continuously keep on posting his selfies like hello guys, good morning selfie. Hello guys, up with the new stuff. Hello guys, I have prepared a new variety of food tonight selfie. Hello guys, I feel I'm sleeping now tonight selfie. Selfie. I like my phone and I like myself and I just love my I like some me time that. So क्या कोई गलत बात है यार पर पैम्पर करने की खुद को अच्छी बात है ना तो क्या तुम लोग भी निकालोगे द क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट सेल्फी अरे सॉरी
Number 19. Who is most likely to be flop?
No one will take the blame, no one will take the blame.
Yeah, but these guys are like, I
So
think.
these two kiddies are very padhaku, you know.
Yeah, but like, you know what? अगर मतलब study के साथ भी वो उनकी hobbies dancing and singing, like they both are singers also. So वो try कर रहे हैं, सीख रहे हैं. So yeah, like you know, just learn it. उसका स्लो नहीं था. अबे बजट में आएगी तो.
Too slow.
रातों की फैन है ना वो.
Yeah. Okay. So last question.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Brace yourself, brace yourself.
Are you ready?
Yes.
पक्का?
Yeah.
Cool.
Bring it on.
Who is most likely to be foodie?
I'm the most. Yes, I'll take the blame. Anytime.
And it's me. Look at my stomach, bro. भाई यार लॉकडाउन में खा पी के बढ़ गए हम
Yeah.
लोग.
But everyone will agree to this. Even
Hello, but
I-
she's fit and fine. Look at her figure.
So I'm fit and fine. That's
Sarah
a
good.
different thing.
He makes
ये
a
भी
lot,
बोले था ये देखो
नहीं
foodie.
but I'm not
Okay.
he makes a lot of different variety of
Yeah, if you want to ask a question like in what area, which stuff is famous, like
Yeah.
food stuff is famous,
He'll know.
he can answer
He'll
and I can
definitely
answer.
know.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And we can give you the best review that where to go not and where you should go.
Yeah, with the proper address. हाँ हम लोग आपको घुमाएंगे नहीं. हम लोग
Yes.
बहुत अच्छे घर के बच्चे हैं. So yeah, so I guess सभी questions हो गए and yeah, we are done with segments. Yeah, हम लोग ने और expect किए थे, but 20 questions are like good. Yeah, it's good enough. So we enjoyed our new Blog Talk segment, and I hope you do.
So please suggest us some more segments and challenges which you would like to see.
So let us know in the comment section.
And make sure sanitize, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, which is Coming Again Entertainment. Bye.
Okay, चलो टेक खत्म हो गया यार तो फिर अभी क्या पानी पूरी दे दो कुछ भूख लगी है. एक काम करते हैं पानी पूरी चैलेंज करते हैं क्या हम दोनों. That's good idea, but तू हार जाएगी मैं पहले ही बोल रही हूँ. हम लोग हार गए तो एक प्लेट दे दे. What are you